There's an announcement I think we got to mention earlier. If anybody's interested, BMW summer job program. I don't know what it's for. It's what's it say? This is what gets me though. It says attached are some documents, and they never sent the documents, so I don't know. That's all. If anybody's interested, what's it say? Students are welcome to come visit us this weekend at our branch office.
Oh, that's for
Don't do it, Ham. This is MAU.
That's what that is.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah.
You contract production.
Oh, okay. I'm glad you guys know. Yep. Okay.
As soon as it said Pelham Road, I knew that was.
Gosh. Temp job.
Don't do
Yeah.
it. Stuck there forever.
Yeah.
They don't really need it.
Maybe something you don't want to be interested in. I don't know.
It's great if you have a couple of time like brothers and joints, plus the, you know.
Oh, so they're not real high about safety.
Well, it's just,
That's
it's
line
just,
work.
it's just the nature of the job.
They got like a 13.
Makes sense. I saw it, I'm like, okay.
It's all around. Here we go.
Okay. Is everybody in the network view right now? Okay. If you can't, what's the part number on that switch that's on the trainer? We'll go ahead and add that in.
Scaling switch?
If we can even find it.
Mr. Matt, is there an open house today?
Should be.
180.
You guys might know something I don't. Spring Fling, April 18th. I saw that. I don't know, to be honest.
Yeah,
Did you-
it's just open.
Did you see anything?
Yeah, from 4 to 5.
Oh, okay, for the bachelor's degree program?
Yeah.
Gotcha, yeah, I saw a list of dates out there. Why you said that? Oh, yeah, bachelor's degree open house.
4 to 5. I'm sorry, I missed the special on. Here.
Let's take a look at it. Since you mentioned it, Glenn said something. Dates, yeah, there's a bunch of them. March 28th at 4 o'clock. Yeah, there's a pile of them.
Boy. There it is, 4 o'clock. It's Tuesday, maybe not really.
You guys have this? No.
Do you have to sign up when you open up?
That's what it looks like.
It was like a BYOB event?
You have to just like show up?
I think you can. Yeah, I just show up. I was gonna say you can't be here. Yeah.
You should come.
Let's see where we at.
Oh my God.
Are you able to find that switch anywhere? It should be a network.
Hey, Mr. Haney.
Network components.
I wanna go to
Slide
the.
it, slide the
You
box.
got that on me?
I got work.
No.
Lowe's doesn't need you. Come on.
Like, still,
You really does.
What's the part number on that switch? Can anybody see that?
6GK5. 6GK5.
6G5.
It doesn't show up in
Where?
Oh, okay. 6.
What is it? Trophy box, like board one?
There's 6GK5. There's 4 of them in the list.
Was it 1AB2?
What is it? 1AB2?
What'd you find that under?
This is under, I did a search up here.
What'd you put in? 6GK5.
Yeah. I don't know if that's the wrong one.
It's a 6GK5 OBAOO.
OBAOO, wow.
So it's under network components, i.e. switches, scalers, X200, X200,
Must be the only one out there. There's only 4 of them in that list. Well, there's another one. 6G85.
Yeah, there's a list of
Trying to see
this.
that toner on my screen, but I can't because it should be.
Okay, there's, try 6GK5005.
015.
Nope. Stop for a second.
We don't have to add that in to get this stuff to work. I've never added it in before. I never could find it.
My pulse. It's a lucky day. It's a birthday.
What's my pulse?
I don't think it's in there.
That's weird.
Siemens, did you just say that?
After we done yet?
Yeah. Nothing. Okay. That's okay. We don't have to add it in. I mean, it's not a showstopper. Not a showstopper. Let's take a look at the project tree on the left. Project tree. So there's an area here. You see it showing the PLC, device configuration, online diagnostics, and then there's a folder called program blocks. Expand that. And that's where we'll be adding in FCs and FBs, and we can add in OBs. We're not going to add in any additional OBs. We're just going to leave that the way it is. And then there's a lot of other stuff here, but this PLC tags folder, expand that. And go ahead and double click on show all tags. You don't see anything right now, right?
Nope.
But there's 3 tabs up here. Go to system constants tab, and that's showing all the tags that are related to the system itself, to the PLC. It's got the local stuff, that interface, so anything that's related to the PLC. And then we have this default tag table. Just double click on that. It says there's 29 tags in there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Do the same thing, it's in the system constants again, and there should be 29 tags in that system constants area. But once we start building tags, this area, the tag, in the tags tab, this will be populated in that tags tab. Anyway, so we're going to add new tag table. Go ahead and double click add new tag table. And let's rename it. It says tag table 1, 0, whatever. Right click and rename. We're going to name that inputs. We're going to add another tag table.
Now you do that whole
Okay.
add group or add new tag table.
Add new tag table.
Rename, what you mean?
Tag inputs.
Input.
And then add the second one in and rename that one outputs. It's just another way of keeping things organized. We can do, so if you have a system that has 1,000 inputs, a huge assembly line or something, put them all right there in one tag table. We could put everything in one tag table, right? We put inputs, outputs, memory. Later on, we'll also add a memory tag table for all of our memory tags. It's just a way of keeping them organized. let's go to the inputs tag table that we just made. Open up the inputs tag table. And we're just gonna make a couple tags. The first one, let's call it start, underscore PB, enter. So it automatically populates the address for you, which is good.
That's easy.
Next one, stop, underscore PB. Same thing. And while we're here,
Go ahead and check the retain box.
no, but I'm glad you said that. Generally, you use it on memory tags. But here's, if you look, this retain box, what do you think that's for? That's for the retentive memory. That's exactly right. Generally, we would do it on memory tags instead of actual I/O. While we're here, up at the far right corner, and I can't see it because of this thing right here, hover over the options up here, and it says float. One of them says float screen or something like that, or just float. Go ahead and click on that where it says float. Now we can take this
I didn't spend it, me on.
and move it around. And while we're here, go ahead and, the one that's back behind there, go ahead and exit that. And go ahead and exit the other one until you get back to your network view.
It's starting to be like fun. Like a video.
Yeah.
I digress.
And then, now let's click on device view. And in device view, let's use the drop down and select the PLC. PLC 1. And scroll this thing, scroll in, zoom in, where you can see the inputs and outputs. And then drag up your tag table. So it places the tag names on the PLC once we do that. Another way that we can build tag tables is by clicking on one of the inputs. Let's click on one of the inputs that aren't being used. Just click it, drag it down, and drop it into your tag table. So I clicked on an input, drug it down, dropped it into my tag table. Now you can just rename it. That's cool.
Question. By dragging and dropping the inputs, being a semester, you were talking about how moving your wires. So instead of just going out to the PLC physically moving it, you can do it digitally. This one.
Let's see, we would have to still physically move the wire, yeah. Yeah, we have one of them.
Before you go too far,
Uh,
I might have X'd out of something. Can you show me, if I get back? I've lost one screen. I still got, you open? PLC. So, try to get back to that. And here's my input. And go back to my inputs here. And then exit out.
Yeah. Click on it, drag it down, put it in solid bar. Get the double tag. That's a party bit. What's that?
Okay, this one.
And then, there you go.
Add here.
Good? Okay. Now, let's go ahead and open up your outputs tag table. Load it. And we're gonna make a tag called just power underscore on. Hit enter. And here's where you have to be careful because it's gonna use the next tag in sequential order, or the next address in sequential order. So we can either, you can change it here, use the drop down arrow and change it here. Or you can,
I grabbed the first one and drove it down
there you go, yep, or you can do it that way.
It doesn't notice that's an output, you just doesn't care what your name
Zero. And make it bit number 0. So the operand identifier should be Q, address is Q, bit number, address 0, I'm sorry, and bit number 0.